Look, if you're a designer, I know you spend absolutely countless hours perfecting those Webflow desktop designs. You're building these jaw-dropping experiences, right? But then you pull it up on a phone and, that pixel-perfect site suddenly feels kind of broken, reduced to just a clunky website wrapper.
Okay, let's dive into this because I want to be clear, this isn't your fault. It's actually a platform problem. The mobile browser itself is literally ruining the user experience.
See, responsive design just takes your HTML and CSS and scales it down to fit a smaller viewport. That's it. It is fundamentally not a standalone product. Now, compare that to a true mobile app. We're talking about a purpose-built, native product that lives directly on the user's device. And audiences today absolutely expect that smooth, full-screen feel. Let's move on and see how this builds. When you contrast the friction of a browser wrapper, fighting visible address bars and slow loads, against the seamless feel of a native app, the difference is night and day. And here is why this matters. When a site feels compressed in a mobile browser, bounce rates absolutely spike. That friction costs you massive engagement and really hurts client expectations. To put that into perspective, if you're just relying on traditional channels like organic social media, you're looking at a dismal return of under 5%, less than 5%. And this brilliantly illustrates the flip side. Native push notifications bypass those social algorithms entirely. They drive an astonishing 60 to 80% engagement rate. It's a total game changer.
Now, you might be wondering about the elephant in the room. It's every Webflow designer's biggest fear. Wait, is converting to an app going to break my custom interactions? The answer is absolutely not. Your custom animations, scroll effects, and CMS collections, the whole shebang, are fully preserved. Literally, nothing gets stripped away.
Here's how it works. AppOfWeb actually uses your live Webflow URL as its native content source. It doesn't rewrite your code. It just wraps your live published site in a high-performance native device shell. And just like that, it instantly upgrades your project with out-of-the-box structural features. Branded splash screens, native bottom tabs, pull to refresh. It elevates a web page into a premium product. Now, what's really interesting about this slide is the frictionless maintenance. The app actually stays in permanent automatic sync with your live Webflow project. So if you change your design, tweak the CMS, or update some copy, the app updates instantly. You never have to deal with manual App Store resubmissions or notify a developer. So the crucial point is that this is a fully managed, zero-code setup. You do absolutely no coding, no migrating content, and you don't even have to touch your Webflow settings. Look at the contrast here. A traditional mobile dev agency is going to charge you thousands up front and take weeks to build it. AppOfWeb's managed solution, zero upfront cost, and it's virtually instant. If you're a freelancer or an agency, this is huge. It's a highly lucrative, white-label deliverable you can offer to add massive value to your clients, which easily justifies higher retainer fees. The conversion process is incredibly fast. You just submit your URL, pick your features, and then AppOfWeb builds it, you review it, and they publish it. So fast.
Okay, I can hear some of the technical folks asking, is this just a glorified add-to-home screen browser shortcut?
No, definitely not. Let me firmly debunk that right now. This is a genuine, standalone native application. It unlocks real device-level performance and gives you direct access to native push notifications. Plus, you get the immense professional trust that comes with being officially listed. Your app is actually downloadable directly from the Apple App Store and Google Play. So just a quick recap to pull this all together. Your Webflow design is already app-ready. It syncs automatically, and it creates a highly premium offering. Don't settle for a basic responsive site and leave audience engagement on the table. Why stay trapped in a browser? Visit appofweb.com and convert your website to mobile app today. Seriously? Are you ready to finally claim your spot on the home screen?